Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty dog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's the detail.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are back in Southwest Florida here today, as you guys can all see. And in this video I'll be talking about cars that should be added to Southwest Florida. I have a list of cars that I think would be really cool if they were added into Southwest Florida. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Alright, so starting off with the first car I think they should add is the wide body Charger, Dodge Charger wide body. It could be either the Hellcat or Scat Pack trim. They look pretty similar. I think the only difference is the badging and obviously the engine, and I think the hood is also a little bit different. But yeah, I really hope they add this in with the matte black hood here. There could be a button to maybe take it off, somewhat like taking off the stripes on the Ferrari Pista, something like that. But yeah, pretty nice car. I really hope they add this into the game. I know we already have the slim body Charger inside of the game. Alright, so yeah, here is the slim body Charger. We already have this in game. As you guys see, it's a really nice model. It looks pretty nice, as you guys can see. Pretty nice. And as I was saying, to take off the matte black hood, if there was an option somewhat like, let's see here, I think we could do it on the Speedtail, yeah. So with the matte black hood, if there was an option in customize here, like right here on the side next to factory paint, there's a button to change the hood to a normal glossy hood, the normal color of the car. That would be pretty nice if that was an option. But yeah, pretty cool if they add that in. Yeah, so I hope they do add that car. And we already have the slim body Charger, which is also really nice. But yeah, let's move on to the next car. Alright, so the next car I think they should add is the BMW M3, the new style model. As you guys see, there's a big grill right here. A lot of people do not like this. At first I didn't like this, but I don't know, it's growing on me. It looks pretty good now. I don't know, it looks pretty good now. It still looks pretty big, but yeah, this is a pretty nice car. I really hope they add this inside of the game soon. Really nice car. The new M3 here, pretty nice car. I really like the back of the M3. It looks really nice, especially that diffuser right there. Really aggressive, makes the car look really nice. Yeah, rear end of the car just looks really nice. The front also looks really nice. The grill is growing on me for sure. But yeah, M3 here, if they add this in, pretty nice car. It'll probably be my daily car. But yeah, really nice car. If they add this in, it would be really nice. Yeah, let's move on to the next car. Alright, so the next car I think they should add is the Ram 1500 TRX. This car is really nice. I don't know about you guys, but I like this car better than the Ford Raptor. I don't know, this car just looks really nice. I really like the hood, it looks really nice. The front end here looks really nice. I really like the headlights, and basically everything about this car just looks really nice in my opinion. Like, I don't know, it's just such a clean car, a really nice looking truck, my favorite truck overall. It is just such a nice car. This car even sounds nice with the supercharged engine. Really nice car, it sounds amazing, and it just looks really nice. So yeah, if they add this into the game, that would be really cool. Honestly, such a nice truck. Alright, moving on to the next car, we have an SUV. This is the BMW X5 M. So yeah, I really like this car. It looks like it is the X5 M50D. Really nice car here. I really like the taillights on the X5s. I mean, yeah, just really nice car. I really like the taillights of the X5. It's such a nice car. I know this car has a really nice interior also, but yeah, I think they should add in this SUV. It is just such a nice SUV, nice interior. I don't think there's gonna be interior if they add it into the game, but even the outside of the car exterior is just really nice. Yeah, really nice SUV right here. Alright, so moving on to the next car, we have the Porsche 911 GT2 RS. This car right here is really nice. I think that the wing in the back just makes this car look really nice. Really like the headlights on this thing also, it is really nice. Yeah, this car is pretty quick too. I'm pretty sure it's a pretty quick car. Really nice car. It looks pretty nice and compact, pretty neat design. I really like this car. It looks really nice. Big fan of this car right here. If they add this into the game, that'd be really nice. Just a really nice looking car. Alright, so moving on here, we have the McLaren 720S. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys also want this in the game. Some people comment on my video saying they really want the 720S in game. Same with me. I really like this car. It's just a really nice looking car, especially the rear end of the car. I really like it. Alright, so here's the rear end of this car. It's such a nice car. I love the rear end of this car. I like those taillights, really clean. It's a neat design. Lots of carbon fiber, as you guys can see. The diffuser here looks really aggressive. It adds a nice touch to the car. Really nice car overall. Hopefully they add this into the game. Alright, moving on here, we have the McLaren 765 LT. This is a really nice car. It's pretty nice. I really like the design of the car. Again, with the rear end, I really like the rear end of this car. I don't know, 720S and the 765 LT just have such a nice rear end. Really nice look to the rear end. It is really clean. Love how it looks on the rear end. Front end here also looks really nice. I really like these headlights. Pretty clean design. Overall, such a nice car. This car is pretty neat. Pretty nice looking car. If they add this in the game, that would also be really nice. Alright, moving on to the next car here. This is one of my favorite cars on the list. It is the Lamborghini Centenario. I think there's only 20 of these in the world. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think there's only 20. Yeah, this car looks really nice in this blue color here. Really nice. It also comes in a carbon fiber or gray color. I don't know, but yeah, this car looks really nice. I love the way this looks. Headlights look really clean. This car looks really detailed. I don't know, such a nice car. Also, the back end of this thing is really aggressive. Let me show you guys that real quick. Alright, so here's the rear end of the Centenario. Really clean. Lots and lots of carbon fiber on this car. Tons of carbon fiber. But yeah, as you can see, the rear end of this car is really aggressive. It's pretty nice though. It looks really nice. Tons of carbon fiber again. I personally like the taillights a whole lot. The front of the car also looks really nice. Overall, a really nice car. One of my favorite cars here. Such a nice car. Really nice design. But yeah, let's move on to the next car. Alright, next up we have the McLaren Santa. This car looks really nice. Huge wing in the back. This car has really nice front headlights here. Really clean design right there. Overall, such a nice car. I really like the design of this car. It looks really nice. I really like that big ginormous wing in the back. It adds a nice touch to the car. It really does. Overall, such a nice car. I really hope they add this into the game. Alright, lastly we have the Tesla Model S Plaid. This car is really fast. It does 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds, I think. Yeah, 1.9 seconds, I'm pretty sure. Correct me if I'm wrong. Comment down below what the actual time is if I'm wrong. But this car looks really nice. It looks pretty similar to the normal Model S, but I'm pretty sure these right here are different. But yeah, really nice car. I don't really like the steering wheel of the car. I don't know, I just don't like it that much. I personally would rather have a normal steering wheel on this car. But yeah, really fast car. Accelerates really quick. Just overall a really nice looking car. Yeah, I really hope they add this into the game. Anyways, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe. We are on our road to 6,000 subscribers. And yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me or send a text, love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best, love.